Here it says a rectangular enclosure is made from 60 meters of fencing. The area enclosed is 217 square meters. Find the dimensions of the enclosure. I say I have a rectangular shape. That fencing is 60 meters. That means perimeter of this shape is 60 meters. We know its length W. So I say 2. We know the perimeter that gives me the fencing. 2 W plus L. Why I say fencing equals perimeter? Because we're fencing around this rectangular shape, so I have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. It says it's 60, and then I have W plus L equals 30. I get one of these W or L as my object and rewrite this equation. I get L as my object, so I say L equals 30 minus W. The next step is says the area of enclosed is 217 square meters. So area here is L times W. So I say uh, it's 217. I put this formula instead of L or substitute in this equation, so would be 30 minus W times W equals 270. Distribute in this W inside parentheses, so would be negative square uh, W, so would be negative W squared plus 30 W equals 217. I multiplied both sides by this negative sign and bring 270 in the left side as well, so it would be W squared minus 30W plus 217 equals 0. It's a quadratic equation. To solve it, I use the formula that the product of two numbers gives me 217, and add of these two numbers gives me negative 30. That the number I could find is negative W and negative 18. So I will rewrite it again. It was negative 30W, so I rewrite it again. It would be W minus 12 times W minus 18 equals 0. I will find 2W, W equals 12. For W equals 12, if I put it in this equation, L equals 30 minus W, so L would be 18. And if I get, we know how I find this W equals 12, I said product of two terms equals 0. So one of them must be 0. At least one of them must be 0. So I get W minus 12 equals 0. I get W equals 12. And I said if I W is 0, so L would be 18. And for the second parenthesis, I say W minus 18 equals 0, I will get W equals 18. So if W equals 18, L would be 12. We always say length is larger than width, so I accept this one. W equals 12 and length equals 18.